In this short guide, the per student controls in PrepareBuddy, which features each student gets, how many tests they can see, and how to extend their access.
Every enrolled student gets their own control panel. Turn AI Buddy on or off for them. Enable or disable transcripts. Switch that off, and students will not see the option during a test. Decide whether they can generate their own AI exams, and how many. Then set how many tests are visible at a time. The default is 20, and once a student works through those, more unlock automatically. That is deliberate. It encourages students to actually attempt tests, rather than just browse a long list. Below that, you choose which features each student gets. The student journey, immigration, teacher review, global university recommendations, speaking time is unlimited for staff, but 4 minutes per student by default. Every one of these settings is per student, so you can run a strict setup for one cohort and a relaxed one for another, inside the same organization.
Need to give somebody more time? Add months or weeks, with a reason attached for the record. This student's 90 days becomes 121, and the extension is logged against their account. You can reduce time or set a completely custom tenure in exactly the same way. You can remove a student from a course, open their reports and their history, see exactly when they were onboarded and offboarded, review their full student journey, or reset their password, all from the same row. The history view is the useful one when a student asks why their access changed, because every extension and every enrollment is time-stamped there. And at organization level, you set the defaults once, visible test limits, auto-increment, and they apply to every student inside that organization, without touching a single student record individually.
And that is managing student access in PrepareBuddy. Get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.